Let me please introduce myself. I'm Diva, your #1 recruiting dude. I'm very friendly and easy to learn. I'm really fast. At the office, at home, or on the road, I'm always there for you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I beat your competition to the punch, and I make you lots of money. Watch what my friends have to say, and I'll be right back.
JobDiva customer support, this is Cassandra.
Everyone we've worked with at JobDiva has been such a pleasure to work with. They're very responsive to us. If we have a question or a problem or an issue, they get right on it.
They seem to have the time to be able to explain why they've done something or why something has been implemented.
The support from JobDiva has been excellent. The training has been excellent.
When we called them, we were taught very quickly what the issues were and able to resolve any issues that we had.
We found the technical support staff from JobDiva to be responsive and excellent. The time that our sales and contract admins take to put in a job from 3 or 4 hours to 5 minutes.
To transition from other CRMs that are leading edge, it's very simple.
2 weeks ago we made the decision, and today I have it running on my desktop.
The support mechanisms are there when you have questions.
They get back to us, they follow up.
All of our recruiters are walking away with a good understanding of how to use the tool, and immediately they're all excited about going back to their desk and starting to put JobDiva to work to identify the candidates faster that they can submit out to our clients.
Whenever we've asked for a new feature, we haven't even had to stomp our feet very loudly to get it. The team has been wonderful.
They're the kind of people that are innovative and willing to listen to what changes you think might need to be made or adjusted.
It's good to see that. You're not paying on a menu basis for every little feature of the product.